Hey there, fellow SEO enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of SuperSEOPlus.com, an incredible platform that offers over 160 fantastic SEO tools all for free. Are you ready to boost your rankings and attract more visitors to your site? Let's get started. SuperSEOPlus.com is a game changer when it comes to SEO analysis. Their tools are powerful and easy to use, making it simple to track your progress and improve your website performance. One tool I absolutely love is the SERP Checker. It's a lifesaver when you need to verify your ranking for multiple keywords on different pages. SuperSEOPlus.com makes it a breeze, allowing you to search up to 50 keywords all at once. Talk about convenience. Another must-use tool is the Backlink Analyzer Pro. This nifty feature will help you uncover your top competitors' backlinks and analyze their ranking factors, giving you valuable insights into how you can improve your own site's SEO. And let's not forget about their keyword search tool. It's user-friendly, fast, and accurate, providing you with an extensive list of relevant keyword suggestions that are actually worth pursuing. No fluff here. To wrap up, SuperSEOPlus.com is a one-stop shop for all your SEO needs. With over 160 free tools at your disposal, you can optimize your website and climb the ranks in no time. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and watch your website thrive. Thanks for joining me on this SEO journey, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Happy ranking, folks!